So we decided to bring my garden into the greenhouse in pots and planters. And I think what I realized when things started getting bigger and we would have the bad weather come through like you do in the spring, that my plants were protected, you know, because I've had them in the yard, in my garden inside my fence, and the weather can be really, really harsh on new tomato plants or anything you're growing in your garden. The rain can, you know, it beats it down, and also can cause disease to set into your plants because the soil will splash back up and the wind breaks plants. And I've realized now, hey, I kind of like this gardening inside my greenhouse because everything is contained, so I can control it. The water, the rain, it doesn't matter. That doesn't affect because I water as it needs it. The wind is not an issue because it's not damaging anything. And so I'm actually trying to talk him into building me a garden greenhouse for next year that's designed more, you know, as a fourth season where you transition it from, you know, fall to winter to spring to summer, and you just keep it year round. And that's kind of what we're playing with in this one. And so far, June 1st, I'm still in my greenhouse and everything is thriving. So it's fun. I like the indoor gardening. That's fun. I've done the outdoor, but I like the indoor.